We've been trained to think that free means low value. But in today's world, some of the best career-building education on the planet costs nothing and delivers more than most $80,000 degrees ever could. These 10 free courses are backed by industry giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft. They don't just teach you, they qualify you for high-paying roles in tech, AI, cloud, UX, data, and more. No experience, no degree, no debt. 1. Google IT Support Certificate Coursera. Want a career in tech but don't have a degree? This course teaches you everything from troubleshooting to systems administration. Thousands of people have landed jobs at Google, Walmart, and Infosys from this exact program. Why it's better? Built by the company that hires you. Career path: IT support to systems admin to network engineer. Starting salary: $55,000 to $90,000 a year. 2. IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, Skills Build. Learn Excel, Python, SQL, data visualization, and more straight from IBM. You finish with real data projects and a badge that employers actually recognize. Why it's better? IBM's name opens doors, and the portfolio proves you belong. Career path: data analyst to BI, business intelligence, analyst to data scientist. Starting salary: $60,000 to $100,000 a year. 3. Free Code Camp, full web dev curriculum. From HTML to JavaScript to backend APIs, this project-based course gives you real coding skills and real portfolio pieces, all for free. Why it's gold? There is no theory overload. Just skills, projects, and job readiness. Career path: front-end dev to full stack to software engineer. Starting salary: $70,000 to $120,000 plus a year. 4. Google UX Design Certificate Coursera. Learn user research, wireframing, Figma, and accessibility. Then build a full UX portfolio to show employers. No degree required. What is UX? UX stands for user experience. It's the process of designing apps, websites, and digital products to be easy to use, visually appealing, and focused on how real people interact with them. UX designers use research, wireframes, and tools like Figma to improve everything from mobile apps to software dashboards. Why it's better? You don't just get theory. You finish with a portfolio and job-ready skills. Career path: UX designer to product designer to lead UX. Starting salary: $65,000 to $110,000 a year. 5. NVIDIA Fundamentals of Deep Learning. If you're aiming for AI or machine learning, this is where to start. Built by the leaders in GPU computing, this course introduces real frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Why it's gold? NVIDIA is the gold standard in AI. Their training moves your application forward. And the starting salary can lead you to the upper middle class with very little effort. Career path: AI analyst to deep learning engineer. Starting salary: $80,000 to $140,000 a year. 6. Oracle OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Foundations Associate. This one is from Oracle University. Oracle Cloud powers enterprise infrastructure worldwide. This course teaches cloud computing fundamentals and gets you certified for free. Why this works? Cloud certs are the new MBA. This one's respected and entry-level. Career path: cloud engineer to DevOps to solutions architect. Starting salary: $70,000 to $130,000 a year. 7. Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Coursera. From SEO to email marketing and e-com strategy, this course is packed with the skills that digital agencies and businesses need right now. Why it's better? Google built it to fill real roles, and brands are hiring every day. Career path: digital marketer to growth specialist to marketing director. Starting salary: $60,000 to $100,000 a year. 8. AWS Cloud Quest free gamified training. You play your way through real cloud scenarios and learn cloud architecture hands-on. AWS is used by Netflix, NASA, and Amazon, and they need certified talent. Why it's better? Cloud is one of the fastest-growing career paths, and this is how you break in. Career path: AWS Cloud Practitioner to SysOps Admin. Starting salary: $75,000 to $125,000 a year. 9. LinkedIn plus Microsoft Career Essentials in Data Analysis. Combines Excel, Power BI, and data storytelling, no coding required. This is a perfect starting point if you're pivoting from admin or operations into tech. Why it's better. Built for adult learners, no fluff, just employer-aligned content. Career path. Junior analyst to data coordinator to BI, business intelligence analyst. Starting salary. $55,000 to $90,000 a year. 10. HubSpot inbound marketing certification. From content strategy to lead conversion, HubSpot teaches the exact marketing system used by thousands of growing businesses. Why it's better. It's tactical, actionable, and respected by startups and agencies. Career path. Marketing assistant to inbound marketer to campaign manager. Starting salary. $50,000 to $85,000 a year. My final take. If you're still chasing a degree hoping it will change your life, here's the truth. Degrees don't get jobs, skills do. These 10 free courses were created by the very companies doing the hiring. They're faster, more targeted, and way more affordable than most traditional programs. And if you want even more options, grab the free guide, Top Free and Affordable Certifications That Lead to High-Paying Careers. Links in the description. You can also access the full certification spreadsheet with 25+ employer-backed programs ready to launch your next move.